Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make potato salad sauce. First, gather your core ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of creamy mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of tangy Dijon or yellow mustard, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar for that essential zing. Don't forget to season with half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance the flavors. Finally, finely chop 1/4 cup of celery and 2 tablespoons of onion for a delightful crunch. Now, let's explore some delicious variations to customize your sauce. For a fresh, herbaceous touch, stir in 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh dill or chives. If you prefer a deeper, savory flavor, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika works wonders. And for those who love a tangy kick, adding 1/4 cup of chopped pickles or sweet relish will elevate your potato salad to new heights. Experiment to find your favorite combination. Achieving the perfect consistency is key for a great potato salad. If your sauce seems too thick, you can thin it out with a small splash of the potato cooking water or a bit of milk until it reaches your desired creaminess. Make sure all ingredients are thoroughly combined, ensuring every bite is bursting with flavor. For best results, chill the sauce for at least 30 minutes before gently folding it into your cooked potatoes. Once your delicious potato salad is complete, proper storage is important. Keep any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days to maintain freshness and safety. Always serve your potato salad chilled for the best flavor and texture. For easy meal prep and storage, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers, along with other great deals you won't want to miss. Enjoy your homemade potato salad.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.